Hey everyone, and welcome back to Butchie Boom. We're so happy you're here with us. Listen, we're on a drive. It's snowing out. You can see that. But I want to talk to you about something that's happening. Uber. If you're an Uber driver, you're looking to use the Uber driver app, or you're looking to know what updates to the Uber driver app, this video is for you, and it's for the passengers too. Check it out. Here's what's going on. Uber is improving its security features. They are going to start allowing us to do some things in the car that's supposed to be making things a lot safer. Before I get into it too much further, please don't forget to give us those thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really does help. Okay, let's get going. So, starting soon, they're phasing in across the country. I'm going to start scrolling around here so you can see some of the articles. They're going to be phasing in video recording using the front-facing cameras for the drivers. It's supposed to be a security upgrade. It's an optional thing at this point, my understanding. You'll be able to look into that as they start making it more available across the country. But rest assured, it is coming. The other thing that they're doing, and some of you may have experienced already, and if you have, let me know in the comments below, please. I'd really like to know how it's working out for you. The audio recordings. So apparently, Uber's allowing drivers and riders in certain locations to now start recording audio on demand, so to speak. So when you get in the car, you'll know that your driver is recording because there'll be some sort of a display given to you on your app. I haven't seen how it works yet. I'm looking around for some samples. Maybe I can put it up with this video. The other thing is, I'm not sure if I don't know if the driver will know if the passenger is recording. At the end of the ride, both parties will be given the option to submit the audio to Uber if there was a problem along the ride. And Uber will be able to listen to it and see what's going on. And of course, if the driver has the video enabled, they'll be able to use the front-facing camera, and Uber will be able to see what happened with the Uber drivers while they're using the Uber driver app and address any customer concerns. These images and audio files will be stored locally, apparently, on the individual driver and rider's phone. So whoever initiates the recording, it'll be stored on their phone. You will not be able to open it, my understanding, neither driver or passenger. Only Uber will be able to decrypt it and then open it. So, and I don't know how long they're saved either, so that's another question that I'm going to try to find out, and I'll report back in another video. So, to sum it up, they've made it where we're going to soon be able to record audio both ways, and they're going to be doing video for drivers using their front-facing phone. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. You've made us an unqualified success. People keep watching. It's absolutely amazing. Subscribing is going through the roof. I'm sorry there's been a delay in getting videos out, but I promise I have a whole bunch more in the pipe. They're coming out pretty quickly, especially as we get closer to the holiday season. So with all that said, everybody drive safe, be safe, ride safe, and until the next time, take care.